Good morning guys, welcome to the Yorke Peninsula video. We've got a few pink lakes to see this morning. I think we're going to head into LOCHIEL, the little town there. There's a nice little salt lake there, so we'll see if they're still pink.
Hopefully.
But yeah, we've just come into Port Wakefield this morning. There's a nice little swimming hole here, so we're going to have a little look around and then we'll keep cruising. Here we are in Clinton. We've just stopped in for a quick look. Not much around. Lots of dirt down here. No grass. But anyway, we're going to head through to Price now. There's a little salt lake or salt works or something down there, so we'll go have a look.
So we're at the salt lakes at Price, but you can't really see anything. And it looks like the lakes are filled up, so it's not pink. But you can see all the mounds of salt from the salt works here. It actually is pink. You just can't see it from where we are.
What are you doing?
Making lunch with our tiny little table.
Yeah, pulled up on the big angle. Just pulled into Port Vincent for lunch. And then we're going to keep cruising down to a caravan park somewhere, hopefully. Smoko's on. Here we go. What do you got, Cobb? We've just made it down the coast to Trowbridge Point Lighthouse, and it is absolutely spectacular. The cliff edges here, crazy.
Stunning. And the lighthouse.
Yeah, it's so sick. But yeah, keep cruising through to camp. We've just gotten to Kangaroo Island Lookout. This coast is absolutely ridiculous. I think we've already said that a few times today, but
Rock pool down there.
little rock pool down here. Getting pretty remote. Lots of corrugations.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, we're almost at the campsite. It's not far from here, and it's looking pretty good. You can see Kangaroo Island in the background there. Might even send the drone up, have a look around here. It's pretty bloody sick.
Tonight's free camp.
Terrible spot for a feed. Oh, you fucking kidding, aren't you? Didn't film any of that. Where are we this morning?
We are at Marion's Bay. We're just at a car park overlooking. You just tripped over. Just overlooking the little bay bit. It's stunning. We've got really good weather again today.
Made it to our next little spot, the Cape Spencer Lighthouse. Again, absolutely stunning coastline. Send the drone up again and have a look. Alrighty, we've made it to Shell Beach. Everyone's ready for a swim. It's nice and hot today, so
Very blue.
very blue. Very nice.
Very nice.
So we just went and found the Shell Beach rock pool. That was pretty sick. Now we're heading on to Dolphin Bay over the hill here.
You can hear the water. We are at Browns Beach for some lunch. Sorry?
Shit spot for a bit of smoko.
Terrible.
Nice and corrugated. We love it.
We are at Berry Bay, but that's Dolphin Bay. Over there, the pretty one.
This is the Corny Point Lighthouse. Alrighty, we've just pulled into WALLAROO to do a little fill up of the rig, and then we're heading to Point Chiron, to the caravan park there.
Oh my lord. Oh, it's fine. It's windy, so I have to stay in. But we are at Port Victoria. We're here for the night and we're about to go in for a beer because the tavern looks very tempting. But we're having some tuna and avo on some chicken crackers.
So yeah, we've just come from Stansbury this morning. We had a bit of a slow start. Did a bit of editing, Riley was doing some work, and now we're in Port Victoria where we're staying for the night. We spent the last few days doing a bit of work for some of the locals in Stansbury, so now we're back on the road for a couple of days, and then we've got some more work lined up in Port Pirie, so cruise around, have a beer, and then we're gonna go set up some camp. Elizabeth, nice little spot here, decent little drive in, bit of forward driving, not too bad though. Unfortunately the tide's out, so it doesn't look as pretty, but not a bad spot out of the wind. to the Camp Boss recovery gear. We've just made it to MOONTA Bay, down to the jetty here, just after lunchtime, so we're going to have a quick feed and then have a little look around. Had a nice little play in the sand this morning.
Yeah.
I only got bogged a few times, but
All part of it.
that's it. Keep cruising, have a look around.
We are at something started with the W.
Wallaroo.
Wallaroo, that's the one.
Give us a rundown.
So we just went to Woolies and did another stock up. But we bypassed camp and we're gonna check. Well, we're checking out the jetty now, and it's stunning. We are at our free camp for the night at, I don't freaking know.
Works burgers are on tonight. We're in Wallaroo at our little free camp here. And yeah, having a crack.
Head with a glass of wine. I'm nearly empty.
And some cracked eggs.
Some cracked eggs.
We've just made it to Port Broughton, guys. Not a far drive this morning, about 35 minutes or something like that. Nice little jetty here again.
It's a big drive, you know.
Yeah, big
I
drive.
don't know.
Have a look around. Looks like a nice little town, this one. Bit of lunch, chicken and tuna on the crackers. Today we've got some whiting and some calamari, some squid that we got the other day.
$300 worth there.
Yeah, good spread. We're having a little seafood platter tonight.
So we're just gonna put this in here.
There we go, guys. Last batch, and then we're on. Little catch and cook from the other day. You would have seen that video a few episodes ago. This is the whiting we had left over, so. Rapid Bay. Not bad. Good little feed here. Chippies, bit of salad. Very good, guys. Happy with the end result. It is a chip.
Very good, guys.